expressing preferences. In order to express preferences, we have two possibilities. We like something or we don't like it. In this sense, we usually add some preference verbs such as like, love, or adore before the verb or the object. For example, I love tango music. He likes to dance salsa. We adore good food. In the case of activities that we like or dislike, we must use either the preposition to before the activity we are talking to, or add the particle ing at the end of the verb. For example, I love to travel, or I love traveling. She dislikes to drink coffee. She dislikes drinking coffee. They like to play basketball. They like playing basketball. You can use any of those forms instinctively, but you can't mix them. For instance, you can't say something like, I like to dancing. No, that's wrong. Or, I dislike watch. No, you must be careful with these mistakes. Thank you and see you next time.